Boom! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another pattern for Salsa Ninjas. I mean intermediate students. My name is Hervin.
And I'm Lana.
And we're from salsaninja.com.
Guys, if you love our content, please subscribe.
Boom! Enjoy the video, guys. Hey guys, this pattern is called the TRex Pattern. So let's jump right into it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna do a wrap, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we end up right here next to each other. Then from here, I'm gonna let go of the left hand and I'm gonna pull with the right hand into a right travel turn. 1, 2, 3. Girls, keep your hands really light, elbows down. Men, elbows down. And then from there, holding the hand up like a pizza tray, I'm gonna go over me into a loop. 5, 6, 7. And then from there, I'm gonna give her an inside travel turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That inside travel turn, the way it works is this. You have her in the close position. I'm not holding with the left hand. From here, I'm going to gesture like a crossbody lead after 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. On 3, give her just a slight gesture to turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Catch her again. 6, 7. Girls, make sure that you can see and feel the hand in the back of in your back, and you can see your partner so that you can lift that hand up. Be careful not to lift the hand up forward because you're going to hit your partner in the face. So lift the hand close to you, okay? So let's see it again, all the way from the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to wrap her. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Letting go of the left hand. 1, 2, 3. Hand slide, pizza tray over me. 6, 7. The left travel turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Catch her. 6, 7. 1 and 5, 6, 7. One more time from this angle now. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Hand up, pizza tray over me. 6, 7. Left travel turn. Catch. 6, 7. Cross body lead. And 5, 6, 7. All right, guys, so that's the TRex pattern. Enjoy it. Now let's practice it with music. Awesome job, well done. I'm glad you finished the video. Hey, if you didn't get the pattern, go back and practice it. And if you like this type of content, subscribe here for more salsa tutorials. See you guys soon.